Did you know that incorporating yogurt into your diet can help you lose weight while satisfying your sweet tooth? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious strawberry yogurt dessert that's perfect for healthy weight loss. Many people struggle to find desserts that are both satisfying and healthy, often leading to unhealthy snacking choices. Let's explore the ingredients for this strawberry yogurt dessert. Strawberries and yogurt are a fantastic combination that offer numerous health benefits, especially when it comes to weight loss. All 7 benefits are very powerful benefits for your health. Both strawberries and yogurt are naturally low in calories. A cup of strawberries contains about 50 calories, while plain low-fat yogurt typically has around 100 calories per serving. This makes them an excellent snack for those watching their calorie intake. Strawberries are loaded with vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which boosts immunity and skin health. They're also high in fiber, which helps promote fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, is packed with protein. Protein helps in muscle repair and growth, and like fiber, it promotes satiety, helping to control cravings. The fiber in strawberries aids digestion, while the probiotics, good bacteria, in yogurt improve gut health. A healthy gut is important for digestion and metabolism, which can positively impact weight loss efforts. The natural sugars in strawberries, combined with the protein and fat in yogurt, help to stabilize blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar helps prevent spikes and crashes, which are often linked to increased hunger and cravings. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and support overall metabolic health. Reduced inflammation can also aid in weight management. The calcium and protein in yogurt are known to promote fat metabolism. Studies have shown that adequate calcium intake from dairy products like yogurt may help in reducing body fat, especially belly fat. To recap, this strawberry yogurt dessert is not only easy to make but also a guilt-free treat that supports your weight loss journey. Now we're diving into the delicious world of strawberry yogurt, a treat that's as nutritious as it is tasty. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other healthy dessert ideas in the comments below. Start by selecting the freshest, juiciest strawberries. These little gems are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, perfect for a healthy snack. Wash your strawberries thoroughly and remove the stems. Slice them into thin, even pieces. The fresher the strawberries, the better the flavor. Take your favorite plain yogurt, whether it's Greek or regular. Plain yogurt serves as the perfect creamy base for our strawberry infusion. If you like, add a touch of natural sweetness with honey or agave syrup. This balances the tartness of the yogurt and enhances the strawberry flavor. Now gently fold the sliced strawberries into the yogurt mixture. Take your time to ensure every bite is filled with fruity goodness. For an added crunch, you can sprinkle some granola or nuts on top. This not only adds texture but also a dose of healthy fats and fibers. Refrigerate for a few hours to let the flavors meld together. Patience is key to achieving that perfect blend of creamy and fruity. Serve your strawberry yogurt in a beautiful bowl and enjoy this refreshing homemade delight. Perfect for breakfast, snack, or even dessert. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips to help you achieve your wellness goals. Comment below with your favorite yogurt toppings and variations.